Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to copy and paste text from a photo on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to copy and paste text from a photo on an Android phone, so let's see how can you do that. Just open your Chrome browser and here you just have to search for image to text. Just search for it and here you just have to open the first website and then tap on browse option. And you just have to select camera if you want to take a photo or select photos or videos. I'm going to select photo from here and here just select any photo. Let's see this one, just tap on it, then tap on convert. Now it will take a while, it might be take 5 or 10 seconds, so you just have to wait for that and then you will easily get the text extracted from the image. And here you can see it is processing, so you must have to wait for it. And here all text attributes appear. You must have to tap on the copy icon. Just tap on it and your text will be copied. Now you can easily send it on WhatsApp or anywhere you want. So that's how you can easily copy and paste text from images. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.